Hello everyone and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the today's news, and we are not having any high impact news. Rather, we are having a couple of news in euro, and I'm not anticipating the market to be really volatile today because we are not having any major high impact news into the market. So let's move to the charts now. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD as usual. And what do we have here is we were having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from the strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we break below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. After breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle. Making this a strong zone of reaction, the price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. Currently, we are into the sideways market into the monthlies, so there is nothing much clear. So let's move to the weeklies. This is the weekly chart, and what do we have here is we are having a strong low. The price had swept the previous week's low and making this a strong low, and this is also unmitigated. So if we are going to move into the downward direction, most likely we are going to have a reaction from this zone. Currently what do we have is we were having an order flow. The price moved into the downward direction, and at the current scenario we are having this low being swept by the market. So I'm anticipating that the price is going to take this previous week's high, because we are also having an FVG right here. So most likely we are going to have a reaction from this FVG and move into the downward direction. So there is nothing much clear even in weeklies. Let's move to the dailies for a detailed picture. So this is the daily chart, and what do we have here is we are having this FVG as I had anticipated, and this is an unmitigated order block. So as I told in the previous videos that we are going to see a momentum slowdown in this FVG area, and if we are not going to hold the order flows of the bullish scenario here, most likely we are going to come and mitigate this order block. Currently, we are respecting this FVG, and most likely I'm anticipating the price to take this weekly high. So what do we have here for the confluence of this weekly high to be taken is this flip zone currently into the market. So most likely I'm anticipating the market to at least mitigate this low of this candle and then show a reaction into the either side. So this is making this high as a weak high. Let's move to the 4 hours now. This is the 4-hour chart, and what do we have here is there's nothing much clear, though we can see the order flow right clean at this zone. So let's move to the 1 hours. This is the 1 hour chart, and what do we have here is we can see that the price is following an order flow, and this was a strong low even in this zone. Price respected the strong low and moved into the upside direction. The price later mitigated this unmitigated wick and moved into the upside direction. And as I had anticipated into the previous videos that we are going to either respect this FVG and move into the upside direction, the price did similarly and moved into the upside direction. So what we have right now is that we are having this bearish order flow into the market. So most likely we are going to break this high. We are going to take this high as a liquidity. So currently there is still not much clear. This order flow is not much clear into the 1 hour. So let's move to the 15 minutes. So this is the 15-minute chart, and what I'm anticipating that this was the strong low being made by the market. So if we are going to respect this strong low scenario, which is right here at this zone, so if we are going to move into the upside direction, disrespecting this order flow, most likely we are going to respect this Asia sessions low. And not only low, that this candle over here. So if we are going to close below this Asia sessions low, most likely we are going to take this low as a liquidity into the market. making this overall move avoid, and most likely we are going to come to this area and then show a respect of the, because this is the higher time frame order flow being maintained by the market. So what do we have here for today is either we are going to respect this order block because it is also contributing in this strong low formation. So if we are going to break this low, most likely this overall move will be void, and we are going to respect this order block and show a reaction into the either side. Else we can have a reaction from this zone and move into the upside direction, taking this high and making this high weak. So most probably our target will be this area over here. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.